Okay, so this is actually project number 2 for the Hunky Homesteader. Hopefully you enjoyed our first video. But we have a lot of these buckets that we've got various plants in, a number of which are climbing. So we need to put in place some sort of trellis to get these things growing for the season. I want something temporary because I'm not going to have climbing vegetables in the fall and winter. So to me, the perfect answer is these T-posts along with some cattle panels. I've really found these to be great products. Tractor Supply, $32, $33 a piece. Really great product for the raised bed project we did, but also I think for trellising, very sturdy. So what I've done is I put in the first 5 T-posts, and because the bucket adds some height, we're actually going to bring the cattle panels to the very top and bring them down to about 1.5 feet off the ground, but that's perfect because that's right where the plant will begin because of the height of the bucket. But I've got four more of these posts to put in, and then we'll begin the process of hanging the cattle panels. I do plan on offsetting about one of these spaces right here, one of these links, which is 8 inches. So I do plan on having a section that 8 inches will cross over, just to give me some more strength off the post. We'll come back after we've done a little bit more work.